For this
come right
action.
here, look at me.
Chloe, turn around.
Chloe, come here. Chloe, please. Come here, sit. Good girl. Down. Chloe, can you do down? Come here. You used to know down. Do you still know down? Come here. Chloe.
So have you got any treats left?
Down. 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 Okay, how about stay? Let's see if we can do stay. Come here. Let's go in here just in case. Come on. Come here. Look at me. Look at me. Come here.
Say I can play ball.
Well, she can. Chloe, come here, please. I know. Come here.
No, we're not going to sit and play ball all day. I've got you playing ball on video.
Well, think about it. She's totally crate trained. Loves cats. Loves cats.
Maybe we should take her in the
Could
cat
live
room.
in the cat room. Loves cats. She totally house trained. Smart as a whip.
She is smart. She's a little bit older. What would you say, 5?
Probably. Really smart. Loves to play ball, as you can tell. Chloe, do you want to play ball? One time. And then we're going to do something else. You're going to give it to me, drop it. Keep going if you don't drop it. She can get 3 or 4 balls in there. You want to do this ball?
She can catch on the bounce.
If I can bounce it right. That's a big ball. Too big?
Ah, good girl.
Good job. Good job, Chloe. Oh, that's the one that's squeaking. She loves soccer. She loves a soccer ball. Stands on top of it. Okay, Chloe.
You like the sound of that squeak?
Look. Chloe, come here. Come here. Can you sit? Chloe. Pay attention where's the ball is here. Chloe, look. Look here. You see this? Look, you see this? Look here. Come here. Okay. Come here. Hi, baby. We're going to play pizza.
Now, that's the thing. Once she gets the ball,
About 4 dogs here.
she just wants to keep playing.
Chloe, do you want to go? Chloe.
Where you going, girl?
We going to go? Come here, we can't play. Does that one squeak too? Oh, those squeaking buttons. Come here.
Come here, Chloe.
Chloe, you're so silly.
Sunday she was out here by herself and
Come here. Go get it.
she would hide her ball in the mud and because nobody was playing with her and it just squeak, squeak, squeak. She was having a great time all by herself.